Minasan, kyo wa genki desu ka? Minasan, kyo wa genki desu ka? Have you ever thought about what are your favorite features built in this guy? Well, this video will be showing you my favorite features. One thing that you need to keep in mind first of all is this. Some of you that have got the new generation will be talking about the gimbal that's quite flimsy. I completely agree. I don't really like it, but this is what I get, so this is what I'm using. But I've managed getting myself an empty filter that clips just in front of the lens, and the result that I achieved with this are amazing. I just love them, so I really highly recommend you to get some. So this video will be showing you my favorite features. I don't know why I did this. So let me know what are your favorite features
in the comment section below.
So if you appreciate the video, remember to give me a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to this channel. High five, foo. Enjoy the video.